Today I am reviewing the TIMBOOTECH wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The TIMBOOTECH wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver is a professional-grade wireless video transmission system designed to completely eliminate the need for long, messy HDMI cables while delivering stable, high-quality audio and video over extremely long distances. From home entertainment setups to business presentations and security monitoring systems, this device is built for users who need reliability, range, and flexibility in one solution. At first glance, what immediately stands out is the build quality. Unlike many lightweight plastic HDMI extenders on the market, this TIMBOOTECH system features a solid aluminum alloy shell. This is not just for looks. It plays a major role in heat dissipation and long-term stability. When devices run continuously for hours or even 24/7 in commercial environments, overheating is often a major issue. Here, the metal construction helps maintain stable performance and reduces the risk of signal drops or lag, making it suitable for demanding professional use cases. The standout feature is its incredible wireless transmission range. With support for up to 820 feet or roughly 250 meters in line-of-sight conditions, this HDMI extender goes far beyond typical home wireless solutions. It uses a 5.8 GHz transmission frequency combined with high-gain antennas to ensure a strong and stable signal. In real-world usage, this means you can send video from a laptop, CCTV system, or media player to a distant TV, projector, or monitor without needing physical HDMI cables running through walls or ceilings. Video quality is also impressive for a wireless system. It supports 4K input, decoding, and outputs up to 1080p at 60 Hz. While it is not a full, uncompressed 4K output system, the downscaled 1080p signal remains smooth, sharp, and stable for most viewing environments. For presentations, streaming, surveillance, and general media playback, the quality is more than sufficient and maintains clarity without noticeable lag in normal usage scenarios. One of the most powerful features of this system is its multi-device flexibility. It supports both 1:8 and 8:1 configurations, meaning you can either send one source to multiple displays or combine multiple sources into a flexible distribution system. This is extremely useful in environments like corporate offices, classrooms, churches, retail displays, or large event setups where content needs to be shared across multiple screens simultaneously. Another standout feature is the built-in KVM functionality. By connecting a keyboard and mouse to the receiver unit, users can remotely control the source device from another location. This is especially useful for IT administrators, educators, or presenters who need to manage a computer without physically being next to it. It effectively turns the system into a remote control station for PCs or media devices, adding a layer of convenience that many competing products do not offer. The TIMBOOTECH extender also includes a local loop-out HDMI port, which allows simultaneous local and remote display output. This means you can connect a monitor directly at the source while also transmitting wirelessly to a remote screen. This dual display setup is particularly useful for live monitoring, presentations, or security systems where real-time local viewing is required. Additionally, the system includes IR passback functionality, allowing users to control devices like Blu-ray players or set-top boxes from the receiver side using a remote control. This small but important feature makes the overall experience feel much more complete and user-friendly, especially in home theater or entertainment setups. Setup is one of the biggest advantages of this system. It is completely plug-and-play, meaning there is no need for drivers, software installation, or complicated network configuration. The transmitter and receiver automatically pair once powered on. This makes it accessible even for users who are not technically inclined, while still offering advanced features for professional users. Compatibility is also very broad. The system works with laptops, desktop PCs, gaming consoles like PlayStation and Xbox, CCTV systems, DSLR cameras, and media players. This versatility makes it useful across a wide range of applications, from gaming setups and home theaters to surveillance systems and business environments. In terms of real-world performance, the system is most impressive when used within its intended range and environment. In open or semi-open spaces, the connection remains stable and responsive. However, like all wireless HDMI systems, performance can be affected by walls, interference, and environmental obstacles. For best results, line-of-sight usage is recommended, especially for long-distance transmission. Thermal stability is another strong point. Thanks to its metal housing and efficient design, the device is capable of running for extended periods without overheating or performance degradation. This is particularly important for commercial installations or security systems that require continuous operation. One thing to note is that while the system is extremely capable, it is not designed to replace ultra-low latency wired HDMI connections for competitive gaming or high-end color-accurate production work. There may be a slight delay depending on setup conditions, which is expected in wireless transmission systems. However, for most use cases like presentations, media playback, CCTV monitoring, and general content sharing, the latency is negligible. Overall, the TIMBOOTECH wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver delivers an impressive combination of long-range wireless transmission, professional stability, multi-device flexibility, and ease of use. It is clearly designed for users who need to eliminate cable limitations while maintaining reliable video performance across large spaces. Whether used in business environments, educational setups, home theaters, or security systems, this device provides a powerful and flexible solution for wireless HDMI distribution. It stands out most for its extreme range, solid build quality, and advanced features like KVM control and multi-receiver support, making it one of the more complete wireless HDMI systems available in its category.